Let's make spicy, smoky, and full of flavor tandoori keema. Add mutton mince in a large bowl. Now add 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and 1 tablespoon tandoori masala. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 cup of fried onions for that sweet richness. Pour in 1 cup of curd and mix everything thoroughly till well combined. Cover it and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes so the flavors soak in. Prepare our creamy nut paste using 10 to 12 almonds, 10 to 12 cashews, and 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds. Grind with a little water until smooth and keep aside. Now grind 3 to 4 tomatoes into a fine paste and set that aside too. Heat a half cup of oil in a pan. Use the same oil the onions were fried in. Add in 1 teaspoon caraway seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, 5 to 6 cloves, 5 to 6 green cardamoms, and 1 black cardamom. Let the spices crackle and release their beautiful aroma. Now add the marinated keema into the pan. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and cook it well until you see the oil start to separate. Then add the tomato paste. Stir well. Cover the pan and let it cook on low heat. Once it's nicely cooked, add the creamy nut paste and stir occasionally until the oil separates again. And now add 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala. Mix well until it blends in smoothly. Add a few green chilies. Then garnish with fresh coriander leaves and ginger julienness. Now for that classic Dhaba-Style smokiness, take a piece of charcoal and heat it directly on a flame using tongs until it's red hot. Place it in a small bowl inside the pan. Pour in 1 tablespoon of ghee over the charcoal and immediately cover the pan with a tight lid to trap the smoke. Let it sit for a few minutes. This will infuse that rich smoky aroma into the keema. For a fresh, zesty cake, squeeze over some lemon juice. And that's it. Your tandoori keema is ready to serve. Enjoy it with hot garlic naan or flaky paratha. It's absolutely delicious and packed with bold flavors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing recipes.